Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Another great news related to Indian Air Force and Indian defense industry has come out, and this time it is related to the surface to air missile Akash. On July 8, 2021, Bharat Dynamics Limited signed a contract worth rupees 499 crore with the Ministry of Defense for the manufacture and supply of Akash missiles to the Indian Air Force. For those who are not aware of Bharat Dynamics Limited is the prime production agency to develop indigenous missiles through the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. The company also manufactures anti-tank guided missiles, air-to-air missiles, air-to-surface weapons, launchers, test equipment, underwater weapons, and countermeasure systems. Coming back to the details about the Akash missile and the deal which was signed, according to a press release, the contract was signed by Air Commodore Ajay Singhal, Air Commodore Guided Weapons Maintenance on behalf of Indian Air Force, and Commodore T.N. Call along with the Executive Director on behalf of BDL. And this happened in the presence of Radha Krishna, who is the Director of BDL at New Delhi. Akash is a medium-range surface-to-air missile defense system developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization and produced by Bharat Dynamics Limited. The Akash missile system can target aircraft up to 50 to 80 km away and at an altitude up to 18,000 meters. This Akash missile defense system has the capability to neutralize the aerial targets like fighter jets, cruise missiles, air-to-surface missiles, and as well as ballistic missiles. The Akash missile has a launch weight of 720 kg and it measures 5.8 meters in length and 35 cm in diameter. It can carry a warload of 60 kg weight, and these missiles can fly at a speed of Mach 3.5. The launch and transport platforms are T-72 or BMP-2 chassis, Tata Motors heavy mobility trucks, and Bemel Tatra. This deal has boosted the order book position of Bharat Dynamics to around 8,683 crores. Last year, Bharat Dynamics Limited bagged orders worth 2,803 crores, which had anti-tank guided missiles order worth 1,820 crores and surface-to-air missiles order worth 793 crores. This is indeed a good sign for India to become independent in missile manufacturing. Akash missiles are operated by both the Indian Army and Indian Air Force, and Bharat Dynamics is also taking all possible steps to export their products to the international market. So let's hope Bharat Dynamics Limited succeeds in their steps towards the exporting their products and shine in the international market as well. This was a quick video to provide details on the recent order of Akash surface-to-air missile by Indian Air Force with Bharat Dynamics. You can refer to my other videos which will provide more details about the Akash missile in a detailed manner. I have provided the link to the relevant videos in the top right I button and also in the details section of this particular video. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.